Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, and today is Tuesday, October 7th. This is the free video for the Stocks and Options Live Trading Room. I want to revisit with Apple today. It's a stock we used to trade every single day, many times a day, and what we've actually been watching for in Apple is a continuation move higher through the previous highs. Now, we've been watching it for about a month and a half, and basically ever since the release of the new iPhone and the lead up to the sales. Now, from the high of September 2nd to the this swing low here on September 9th, back to the high of September 15th, to another high here on September 23rd, here a low of September 25th. We've formed this nice tightening wedge, now pennant actually. So what we actually see is we're starting to find a lot more touches on the downside, the ascending side of this trend line. So what that's actually leading me to think is Apple may break with momentum to the downside to retest the 100-day simple moving average right around the $96 level. Now, it hasn't done it yet, and I think it will need to move in the same direction of the overall market. So the market needs to break lower in order for this to actually occur. But I think there is a relatively good chance that it's going to break to the downside. Again, Apple has a lot of things going for it. Later this month, we're going to see sales numbers from the iPhone 6 in China. Later this month or beginning of November, Apple's really going to roll out that Apple Pay service. I really think that Apple has a tremendous opportunity there with transactions. I think a lot of their competitors in that space are looking at Apple and are worried that because of the number of iPhones out there in the world, that it would be very easy for Apple to slowly migrate those people over to Apple Pay, and they would be the dominant iPhone provider for that service. So, I mean, right here, it's a good it's a chance to see how the adoption of hardware and the establishment of a platform can lead to sales in other areas. And I don't know. I don't think it's fully priced into Apple, but I think the potential is there. But it's amazing. Everybody's talking about the iWatch. Everybody's talking about the iPhone 6, which is a really nice phone. But kind of hidden in there is the I think the formative start of a potentially very big business for Apple. So again, I mean, that's a little bit beyond our scope. That's, talking years out. But at this point on the daily chart, Apple looks like it is potentially weaker and going to test the 100-day simple moving average if and when the market breaks lower. Thank you.